Oh, kick, 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 kick. Now grab. Now pull up. Show everybody how you pull up. Come on. Look at that.
Good job.
Hey, you want to jump in?
No, you have to make a movie and then we'll watch it.
3. Yeah, jump in with shark. 3, 2, 1. Turn around, swim back. Kick, kick. Now pull up. Pull up. Elbow.
Elbows. And then your belly.
He's got it. Hey. You want to show everybody how you float? Come back in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good boy. Now float. He has to hear himself. Chin back and back. Swim to the side. Kick, kick. What are you? Casual? Walk.
What, baby? No, we're not making the movie. You want to show me how you swim underwater?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Got him. You drop. Drop down. You're fine. Alright, you show everybody how you go underwater? Alright, ready? Set. Underwater, go. You go underwater. There's the edge. Go underwater. Look. Now ship, ready? Ready? You're gonna go underwater, ready? 1, 2, 3, hold your breath.
Whoa. Wow.
Underwater? What? I'm right here. Oh, you're rolling.
You float?
Drop. You go underwater? Go under. Go under. What?
Come on.
Go, let's go. In the end. It's scary, isn't it? You're on the edge. She's like, whoa.
Hey, Jax.
Is that how you do it? You gotta go underwater. You jumping in? You gonna come down here and jump in? Nope, nope, not there, not there. You're safe now?
Yeah.
Oh, what was that? Huh? Yeah? What? We go where? Oh, there's the foot. You take my foot? You kick it? Ah! Say hey, mommy. Say hey, mommy.
Hey, Jax.
You gotta swim back. Show us how you swim. Kick, kick. Arms going, arms going.
Because he knows where he'll find us every day.
Yeah, a couple more days and, well, he already thinks he can swim on his own.
Walk,
Where are you going?
walk. Walk. The walk, please. Slow down and walk. Go back and walk. Look at the shivery. But yeah, he thinks he can go jump out there and get you. So you guys need to be quick on your, I'm not even there.
You want on here? You want on here? You want on?
You know horsey?
You want to ride
You know horsey?
the boat?
Wacky wavy inflatable arm man. Hey.
I got one. Oh,
Okay.
Daddy's giving it to you.
You got a fish? You say, I got one, I got one. Oh. It's right there.
You want the yellow one?
Right there. Go ahead, get it. Watch it. He's still flopping. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out.
Hey, buddy. Beep, 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 beep.
Sit back. Sit back. Enjoy the ride. You're wet? You're in a pool. He's panicking. He's wet. I'm wet. I'm wet. Watch him.
Watch him. Watch him, boy. Watch him.
Woo. Oh, somebody's here.
Somebody's here.